In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Close CRM platform for managing your contacts and sending emails. Let's dive in and simplify your workflows together. First and foremost, head over to Close CRM. This is where all the magic begins. Having your CRM set up correctly is crucial since it's where you store important details about your contacts and leads. Once you're in, navigate to the Contacts section. This tab is your gateway to viewing and managing all the critical contact information you have diligently gathered over time. Here, you'll find that each contact has a mail icon right next to it, an invaluable tool when initiating communication. To send an email to a specific contact, simply click on this tiny yet powerful mail icon. Once you do, you'll be prompted to draft your message. Begin by typing in a precise subject along with the body of your email. It's essential to remember that clarity and brevity are key in crafting your message. Ensure that it communicates exactly what you intend. In instances where you'd like to add more recipients to your email, there's an elegant solution. Swipe to the left side of the contact page, which reveals additional contact columns. Click on the IDs available in these columns to append more recipients to your email. It's a seamless process and helps ensure that you reach everyone you need to without sending separate emails. Once you've carefully crafted your email and are content with the recipients, it's time to deliver your message. You have the option to either send the email immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling can be highly convenient if you're trying to reach your audience at a specific time, perhaps when they'll most likely engage with your content. For those times when you need to reach multiple contacts, the app's bulk mail feature is immensely helpful. Begin by going back to the Contacts section. At the top right corner of this page, you'll spot a mail icon. Click it, and you'll have the option to use a predefined email template to send your message in bulk. Choosing the right template can save you countless hours and ensure consistency in your communications. Before you hit send, take a moment to preview your email. This step is crucial as it gives you a final opportunity to catch any errors and ensure that your message looks exactly how you want it to appear in your recipients' inboxes. When everything looks good, go ahead and hit that send button. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using CRM features for sending both individual and bulk emails. These steps are crafted to make your communication more efficient, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.